Okay, so we're going to keep reading, and I want you to continue to listen for key details that support our idea that Jane is curious. One day, curious Jane wondered where eggs come from. So she and Jubilee snuck into Grandma Nut's chicken coop. Hid behind some straw, and stayed very still. And observed the miracle. Okay, we're going to stop there. Did you hear any other ways Jane shows she's curious? Talk to your home teacher about your ideas and meet me on the next slide and see if I added your thoughts to my anchor chart.